Om Swastiastu. Welcome to Furama Xclusive Resort and Villas Ubud, the start of your tranquil tropical getaway. I hope you had a pleasant journey. My name is Ayusri Mahayani and I'm the Marketing Communication Manager of the resort. Let me take you on a journey to show you how we have embraced the new normal. When you arrive at our property, our security guard will warmly welcome you at the entrance and proceed to check the temperature of your driver. Then continue with the standard security operation procedures. After the security check at the entrance is complete, you may proceed to check in at the hotel lobby. Our team at the front office will be using disinfectant sprays on your luggage. Our receptionist will check your body temperature as well as offer you hand sanitizer and a mask. You may then start the check-in process. Please be assured that the pen you use has been treated and sanitized before and after each use. These days, it is very important to keep a safe physical distance. So we have placed the necessary marks on the floor of our lobby. All of our team members are wearing masks and hand gloves for safety reasons. Please be assured that your room key has been disinfected prior to your arrival. Hand sanitizer dispensers are available for all of our guests to use in selected areas of the resort. When you complete the check-in process, our bellboy will escort you to your villa with our buggy. The buggy has also been thoroughly cleaned and disinfected before and after each use. Our utmost priority is to provide a healthy and safe environment for all the guests, employees, and our business partners. Now, please allow me to show you our rooms and public areas. All of our rooms and facilities in the public areas are thoroughly disinfected, especially those with high touch points such as pool chairs, railings, and doorknobs. Welcome to the Deluxe Pool Villa. Inside the room, we have provided additional welcome amenities such as hand sanitizers and masks. All of our housekeeping attendants are wearing standard personal hygiene equipment such as head cover and hand gloves. They will also be using microfiber cloths and different color of spray to clean the different surface of the rooms and villas. Our semi-open rooms and villas have been built with better ventilation in mind, so there will always be a circulation of fresh air during your stay. Whilst our restaurants are still open, we highly recommend our guests to opt for in-room dining during this season. Our friendly waitress will deliver your favorite meals, piping hot and fresh, to your rooms and villas, ensuring limited interaction with guests each time. Furama Xclusive Resort and Villas Ubud is also famous for its delicious meals. Even during these difficult times, we do not compromise on our food quality. Please follow me. At the restaurant, we maintain a safe distance between the guests with a limit on the seating capacity of the restaurant. Any employee involved in the preparation and handling of the food will be wearing mouth guards and hand gloves. To reduce the risk of touching physical menus, we have shifted our menus online. You may view the menu by simply scanning the QR codes provided at the table. Cutleries will only be set up once you are seated at the table, to avoid a long exposure to the open air. We are doing everything we can to provide a safe and healthy environment for you. The tables at party restaurant are cleaned before and after each use. Tables are also adjusted to be distant from each other to practice social distancing. The ingredients used in our food are always fresh and clean and sourced from the best. Furama Xclusive Resort and Villas Ubud offers you a great selection of Western, Asian, and Balinese delicacies. Should you wish to spend your day at our swimming pool, please remember to rinse off with a pre-shower before heading for a dip into the main pool. At Spa Furama, your well-being and security is our top priority. Prior to your treatment, please fill up our advanced consultation form to declare that you are in a good health. It is mandatory for all customers to step in for a pre-shower before the start of their treatment. Our therapists will be wearing all the necessary personal hygiene equipment such as apron, head cover, face mask, face shield, and hand gloves during your treatment. Rest assured that all of our linens and treatment rooms are frequently sanitized as well. There will be a 30-minute block between each appointment to allow our staff enough time to deep clean the treatment rooms. We also ensure that our employees are well and healthy before they begin serving you at our resort. Each time they arrive for work, we check their body temperature, ensure they sanitize their hands, and we provide them with the necessary personal hygiene equipment to carry out their duties. We hope you enjoy your stay with us, and we are looking forward to welcoming you to Furama Xclusive Resort and Villas Ubud soon.